So for our next activity or next plate, we're going to draw freehand line exercises. So we will start from title block making. After title block making, so in title block making, same procedure. So we have name, grade and section, school, title, freehand line exercises, the date started, date due, and then date finish, your teacher, and then also our subject, technical drawing. So in lettering of our title block making, always use guidelines. So never letter without or never do not write any word without the use of guidelines. So that's the rule in technical drawing. So always start or let's start po with the vertical line. So in vertical line, always start from the top down to the bottom, top up to down, down, up, down, up, down. So the measurement of the distance of the lines is equivalent to 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter ang distance po niyan or ang space niyan. And then sa vertical line, horizontal line naman, if you are a left-handed, always start with or from the right, from right to the left. Kung ikaw naman po ay right-handed, always start from the left to the right. Ang point natin, first point natin is from the left to the right. So, ganun po ang pag-drawing ng horizontal line. So, same po, distance of the line is equivalent to 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Next, inclined line. So, usually sa inclined line, pwedeng 35 to 45 degrees. And then, ang distance po niyan is 5 millimeter as well. So, meron sa ah, kanan, meron din po sa kaliwa. So, next, we have the curved lines or the irregular lines. So, for the curved lines po, uh, it is being drawn with the use of the pencil, of course. So, do not use any template since this is freehand drawing or freehand line exercises. And then last column, combination of the two degrees of inclined lines. So, meron sa kabilang side. So, this is our freehand line exercises. Plate number 1.3. So, divide our paper or before anything else po, always divide our paper into 3. Okay, 3 by 2. So, mula sa taas nito, pinakataas hanggang sa dulo ng title block natin, dito sa part na to, divide your paper into 2 para pantay siya. Same din po sa row. So, always divide our paper into 3. So, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. Try to compute.